Kapag na-acquit ka na sa kasong tax evasion, lusot ka na rin ba sa pagbabayad ng buwis? Common sense says yes, di ba? Kung walang crime, dapat walang penalty. Pero sa taxation law, mali yan. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang isang very recent 2024 case na kailangan mong malaman para sa 2026 bar exams. Ito ang proof kung gaano katindi ang lifeblood doctrine. Let's break it down. Ang kaso ay People vs. E&D Parts and Supply, Incorporated, promulgated just last January 24, 2024, sa panulat ni Justice Mario V. Lopez. Here is the story: the CTA dismissed the criminal cases against the accused dahil hindi na-prove ang willfulness ng hindi pagbabayad. Basically, na-acquit sila sa criminal charge. So, ang tanong ng gobyerno, paano naman yung buwis na hindi nila binayaran? Thank you na lang ba? The Supreme Court said no. Tandaan nyo to, the acquittal of the taxpayer in a criminal case does not automatically extinguish the civil liability to pay the tax. Bakit? Dahil ang obligation magbayad ng tax ay galing sa batas, hindi sa krimen. Even if the government fails to prove you are a criminal, they can still prove you are a debtor. This is the heart of the lifeblood doctrine. Taxes are so vital that the government will collect them regardless of the criminal outcome. Civil liability is distinct and independent from criminal liability. Mabigat ang tax law, pero isipin mo na lang, these rules build our nation. Every peso collected, theoretically, goes to our roads, our schools, and our defense. So when you study this case, don't just memorize. Understand the why. Kaya mo yan, future lawyer. One case at a time. This is Barmind PH. Aral mabuti.